Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Friday, September 23rd, 2016. Fire potential impacts continue to be the very cool temperatures with continued showers over much of Idaho, western Wyoming, northeast Nevada, and much of northern Utah. We're seeing a pretty significant fall storm moving through the Great Basin yesterday, today, and continuing somewhat into tomorrow. As that system moves out into the first part of next week, we'll see a return of sunny skies and gradually warming temperatures. Precipitation accumulations for yesterday are shown here on the left, with a significant amount of precip moving into eastern Idaho, northern Utah, portions of southern Utah, and even northeast Nevada. Most of these storms were accompanied by a fair amount of lightning as well, and we did see some severe weather in northern Utah. Overall fire activity has decreased with these cooler and wetter conditions. This image shows large fire potential from 2 days ago. WIMS was having some troubles yesterday, and so we didn't get yesterday's report, but these values have no doubt come down in the last 24 hours. This morning's water vapor imagery shows that low pressure system trucking right across the Great Basin, and we'll see enhanced cooling temperatures today as the main low swings through, with those continued showers over much of eastern Great Basin. Fire potential images are currently unavailable for today, but we do show low, large fire potential across much of the Great Basin. The only exception is over far western and southern Nevada, where some dryness continues, and really this isn't much of an issue until the first part of next week, when we see a return of some of the warmer temperatures. Shown in more detail here is the expected coverage for showers and thunderstorms, with the blue areas showing expected snowfall. Temperatures will remain quite cool today, especially over Idaho, Wyoming, and much of Utah, with valley highs only staying in the 50s. By Saturday, that low quickly scoots off to the east, and the Great Basin will be sitting under cool northerly flow. Some lingering showers are possible tomorrow morning, mostly over western Wyoming, far eastern Idaho, and the mountains of northern Utah. Because it's so cool, we could still see some lingering snow showers at the higher elevations. Generally, sunny skies will begin to return to much of the remainder of the Great Basin, but temperatures will still stay cool across the eastern portions. On Sunday, the ridge continues to build into the Great Basin, and we'll see temperatures beginning to warm more rapidly, with generally sunny skies area-wide. Minimum relative humidities will be decreasing, particularly over western and southern Nevada, to values in the teens. 3-day precipitation accumulation is shown here. This is mainly referring to today and tonight and into tomorrow morning, with that precip over eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, and northern Utah and northeast Nevada. For Monday and Tuesday of next week, high pressure builds into the Great Basin for generally sunny skies and warming temperatures region-wide. As we move into the middle of the week, it looks like some moisture moves up from the south into mainly southern and central Utah, bringing a chance of showers once again. Towards Thursday time frame, we begin to see another area of low pressure dropping into the Pacific Northwest, which could possibly bring another round of cooler temperatures as we move into next weekend. 7-day precipitation accumulation looks a lot like the 3-day, as the bulk of our precip is expected to occur in the short term. However, as we get into the second half of next work week, we could see some precipitation returning to the southern Great Basin. The extended forecast, moving into the first week of October, is calling for below normal temperatures across the northern half of the Great Basin, with above normal precipitation expected over the eastern half of the area. This forecast would certainly imply some possibly good windows for prescribed fire. This concludes today's fire potential briefing. Please check back tomorrow for the latest updates.